We are in Jaffrey School on a Sunday. Let's see what the students are doing. There seems to be a lot of action here. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Danish and I am from 7th standard.
Okay. So what are you doing right now? I can see you putting up a chart.
Yeah,
Okay.
we are putting up chart because our school and the gate are not very clean, so we are putting this chart because we want to decorate our school.
Okay. Who is helping you? Can you introduce your team?
This is Salam and this
Hi, Salam.
Hi, sir.
Yes.
is Sohel.
Hi, Sohail.
This is Zitara.
Hi, Zitara. And
And this is Hera.
Hera. Hi. And
And this is Aisha.
hi, Aisha. Okay. Can you show us what you have done? Only one chart, or have you put
No,
up?
there is no chart.
Okay. There is one more. Okay. Can somebody explain it to me? What is this? Believe it can be done.
Can't
Yes.
be done.
It can be done. So what does it mean?
Believe.
Okay, so if you believe in something, whatever,
Yeah, it can be done. If
Right.
you believe in something, so it can be done.
right? So you shouldn't give up. Okay, nice thought. Coming into the school, seeing this good thought. Okay, next Salam.
Thought that school is an opportunity to do anything. School we learn in school, other thing, etc.
Right. So school is an opportunity. Thank you, Salam. Coming on to Izatara. Yes, Izatara.
This is a learn from your mistake.
Learn from our mistakes. Nice thought.
Whatever we are doing a mistake, we are learning from that.
Okay.
And second thought is be kind whenever possible. It is always possible.
Oh, it's a thought of Dalai Lama. It's a thought of Dalai Lama.
Yes.
Okay, nice.
Thank you, sir. There is many more.
मैं नहीं समझा
Yes.
इसको समझा
Okay, it's coming off. It needs maybe a sellotape.
What defines us is how well we do after falling.
Yeah. So, can somebody explain to me?
We when we fall down, then what we do?
Okay, so how you pick yourself and how
Yes,
you
how
start
people-
again.
yes.
So good thought. Okay, one more. Yes, Danish.
This is Zango chart. I am not here to be average. I am here to be awesome. It means I am not here to be like middle
Okay.
or good. I want to be awesome.
You want to be awesome. You want to be the
Yeah,
best. Thank you. That's a good thought.
There is one more chart.
Right.
This is the
Beginning.
This is the beginning of anything
You want. School is a beginning.
Right.
School is a beginning. What you want.
Right.
That was the beginning that we are learning from.
Okay. Thank you. Any more charts do you have? Okay. Time and silence are the most luxurious things today. Yes, it is.
Time is most luxurious thing in our life because time is go fast and not have time.
Right.
We use time very in good thing and save time.
Right.
Thank you.
And what about silence? Is your class silent?
Soil is teaching.
Is your class silent when like the teacher is teaching and
Yes, sometimes.
So you believe that if there's no silence, then
Nothing is
possible. Yeah, it will be a
There is
chaos.
many more charts.
Yes, sure. Yes. What is this?
If it does not challenge you, it won't challenge you.
It won't change you.
Change वो?
Yes.
Challenge लिखा है ना? It won't change you. आप बताओ.
Okay, so it's a very high level thought. Yes, somebody can try to explain.
It does not challenge you. It won't challenge you. It won't.
It means if anyone doesn't challenge you,
can challenge
so
yourself.
you can change yourself.
Okay,
So if you do something that who challenge, they want to challenge our.
okay. Anything?
I don't want to save me. I want to stand by beside and
Others
I will
save.
save myself.
Okay.
It's me. Do not save me.
Okay.
I will save myself. You have to care about yourself and
Their self, ourself.
their self and others.
Okay, so you basically mean to be self-dependent.
This chart
Self.
You basically mean to be self-dependent, and so you want No sympathy, but you want support maybe. Thank you. That's a very